Hello, folks, and welcome back for another installment of Rhythm Fun. So we are working again this time. Since we've been doing these dotted quarter notes for a while, I would love for you to get your instrument out, and we're going to play all these examples on a concert B flat. So I'll give you a chance here when you pause the video to write your counting in. Go get your horn, put it together, play a few notes, get things ready. I know you're like, well, I just wanted to sit here and get my rhythms done so I can go watch TV or whatever. I know. But humor me, and please go get your instrument together so we can do these rhythms and play and learn together. So go take care of all that stuff, and I'll see you in just a second. All right, if you've unpaused, have you written your rhythms down? If not, pause here, write your rhythms down. And then play again, and we'll go over it. All right, so here we go. We have these same things we've been working on all week. I'm going to write my answers in red on this one. So we have our 1, which takes up 1 full beat. And maybe you got confused, as I said, so you should have at least known that those quarter notes needed to get their own beat. So 3 and 4, you could get those 3 and 4. Kind of process of elimination, okay? Anytime you have a hard rhythm you don't understand in music, you got to break it down. So this next part is 2 circled, and remember to use our Pac-Mans to mark that in the Google Drive. Also, don't forget to put your week 4 rhythm 2s. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Then we have this. This takes up the 1.5 beats. So all of 1 in the and, then the 2, and we still have the other part of the 2, which is the and. Okay, so 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 fits in this one, and the and goes there. Okay, do I have to put the 8th note after it? Right, absolutely not. I have to put the 8th note somewhere, but I could have slid these over and put the 8th note here at the end, and it'd be a little bit more syncopated of a rhythm, but we'll get to those eventually. Okay, hopefully you're getting this rhythm right. You're going to play this on your instrument with me, and I will help you by clapping and counting with you and the first time and playing along with you the second. Here we go. First time. 1 and 2 and ready and go. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So the key being making sure you're tapping your foot and making sure these long notes stay sustained. I'll play with you this time. Ready? 1, 2, ready, and go. Ta, 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 ta. So as my foot's coming up on the second beat of the second bar, down, up, bum, bum. So as it goes up, down, bop, bum, bum. And that second bar, that's going to help you line those up. Here we go. Number 2. Looks a little weird. Not too hard. Pause here, and we'll come back together. All right, here we go. Ready? So we have 1 circled and, because that's the other part, 2, 3 circled, 4. So those quarter notes get their own beat. 1, and then we have 2 and 3, because this gets 1.5 beats. So all of 2, part of 3, and of 3 is right there, and then we have 4. Once again, we're going to play these and clap and count. Fix any mistakes you had on your sheet. And here we go. Ready? 1 and 2, and here we go. And 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. All right. Let's try it a little bit faster as we're playing here, and I will play along with you this time. Ready? 1 and 2, and ready, and go. Bop, bum, 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 bum. Let's try that again. One more time playing. Ready? 1, 2, ready, and go. Bop, bum, 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 bum. Cool. Hopefully you're getting that. Here we go. On to number 3. We're going to add these 16th notes back in. If you don't recall, these were mashed potatoes before. Now they are going to be a 1 E and or 2 E and or 3 E and or 4 E and All right. So it's going to be one of those. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, or 4 E and a. And I want you to realize, because it's been a long time since we talked about this in this class, but all 4 of those 16th notes equal 1 beat. They take the same length as a quarter note, okay? Same length as 2 eighth notes. They fit in that same amount of time, all right? Go ahead and write your answers in on this, and we'll come back together. All right, here we go. So we had 1 here. Then we had 2 E and a, 3 and 4, 1 and 2 circled, and 3, 4. Hopefully you got that. Picking up that instrument. This is the last one we're playing together. So it's going to be the best one you played so far. Then after this, you can do a little bit of practicing. It'll be good for you. Work on some of the exercise out of the book. Here we go. 1 and 2 and ready and go. 1, 2 E and a, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay? I'll play along with you this time. Make sure those 2 E and a, you're you're using that tongue with the air. Push that air behind it. Ready? 1, 2, ready and go. Ta 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 ta. And making sure that 2 is dead silent, and make sure your 3 and 4 are nice and long. Okay? They don't have to be clipped short. They aren't staccato. They don't have a dot underneath them or an accent or anything, so they're just normal length. Let's play it one more time. 1, 2, ready and go. Ta 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 ta. Cool. Very nice job. So we got one more rhythm to do. Don't give up on me yet. This one is on your own. So you'll pause here, write it down, and record it in your Google form. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Bye.